back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we explore the world's most breathtaking luxury homes, architectural masterpieces, and dream lifestyles. Today, we're taking you inside an extraordinary ultra-luxury modern home that perfectly blends elegance, comfort, and contemporary design. Set against a stunning natural backdrop, this residence is not just a house, it's a statement of refined living. As we begin with a daytime drone view, the scale and symmetry of this home immediately capture your attention. Clean architectural lines, expansive glass walls, and carefully balanced proportions define the exterior. The soft blue and pink accents subtly enhance the structure, giving it a modern yet warm presence that stands out beautifully in daylight. Approaching the main entrance, you're welcomed by a grand facade featuring premium materials, natural textures, and a wide statement door that sets the tone for what lies inside. This entrance isn't just about arrival, it's about making an impression. Stepping inside, the home opens into a breathtaking living area filled with natural light. Floor-to-ceiling windows blur the line between indoor and outdoor living, creating a seamless connection with the surroundings. The living room is designed for both relaxation and entertainment, featuring elegant furniture, layered lighting, and a calming blue and pink color palette that adds personality without overwhelming the space. Flowing effortlessly from the living room is the heart of the home, the luxury kitchen. This space combines beauty with function, showcasing a large central island, sleek cabinetry, and high-end finishes throughout. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a quiet morning, this kitchen is designed to elevate everyday moments. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, where a statement dining table becomes the centerpiece. Surrounded by designer seating and bathed in daylight, this space is perfect for intimate family dinners or stylish dinner parties. The soft lighting and open layout make every meal feel like an occasion. Moving further into the home, we arrive at the TV lounge, a cozy yet sophisticated retreat designed for entertainment. Plush seating, a large screen, and ambient blue and pink LED lighting create the perfect atmosphere for movie nights, sports events, or simply unwinding after a long day. This home also features a fully equipped private gym, allowing you to maintain a healthy lifestyle without ever leaving the comfort of your residence. With modern equipment, ample space, and natural light, this gym feels motivating, energizing, and luxurious all at once. One of the most unique features of this home is the beautifully designed swing area. This space adds charm and character, blending playful comfort with upscale design. It's a reminder that luxury living can still feel warm, relaxed, and personal. Now let's explore the bedrooms, true private sanctuaries within the home. The master bedroom offers generous space, a serene atmosphere, and stunning views through expansive windows. Soft textures, elegant finishes, and a calming color scheme create a peaceful retreat designed for rest and relaxation. The bathroom continues the luxury experience with spa-like features, premium marble surfaces, a modern soaking tub, and a sleek glass shower. Subtle lighting enhances the ambiance, transforming everyday routines into moments of indulgence. Practicality meets luxury in the garage, which offers ample space for high-end vehicles while maintaining the same refined design language seen throughout the home. Clean lines, premium finishes, and thoughtful lighting make even this functional space feel elevated. Every corner of this home has been carefully designed to deliver comfort, beauty, and functionality. From open social spaces to quiet private retreats, this residence reflects a lifestyle defined by balance, elegance, and modern sophistication. Homes like this are more than just places to live, they represent a vision, a dream, and a standard of excellence. And here at American Dream Mansions, we're proud to bring these incredible properties directly to you. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to American Dream Mansions, and turn on notifications so you never miss an exclusive luxury home tour. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next dream home.